Hello, today we are at the Sortiva recycling company in Alkmaar, the Netherlands. We are installing the mineral lining system Trisoplast as a bottom liner for a new landfill cell. The area what we are installing is roughly 25,000 square meters. This short video gives you an impression of how we produce, install and do the quality control on Trisoplast.
Hi, I'm Joris, site manager for Trisoplast here at the Sortiva site. I'm standing here in front of our mixing plant. This mixing plant is especially designed to produce Trisoplast. It's also designed to be as easily transportable as possible, so we can easily transport it to the site that the customer needs it. It mixes three components, bentonite, sand and polymer into Trisoplast. The bentonite is stored in the silo, the sand is loaded by a loader and the polymer is stored in big bags which go into the container. When the Trisoplast is mixed, it will come out here at the front of the belt and it will be ready to install in the field.
Before we start with the installation of Trisoplast, we first have to do some things, like leveling the subgrade, and let's find out if there's a right compaction of the subgrade. If this is done, then the ready material will come. They drop it on the location where it has to be installed, and then we put a steel bar there, and then the excavator with a white bucket will level the Trisoplast by the help of this steel bar until we get the right uncompacted layer thickness. Imagine it's something like 12 centimeters in this case. After it's completely leveled, we have to compact it. This compaction will be done by a compactor, roughly 2.5 tons. After it's completely compacted, we only have to do one thing. That's the quality control management.
Welkom hier op de locatie Sortiva Alkmaar. En mijn naam is Paul Krom. Ik ben hier locatiemanager en verantwoordelijk voor de herinrichting van dit stortvak. Herinrichting betekent voor ons het aanbrengen van een folie en een mooie nieuwe minerale afdichtingslaag. Dat laatste doen we samen met de firma Trisoplast. Dat is ondertussen het 10e project wat deze firma hier op deze locatie verzorgt. En dat doen we vol goede samenwerking, goede afspraken en een keurige service met de mannen. Ik kan niks anders zeggen als toppie voor deze mannen.